Take the case. Now I have to unscrew this. Make sure I don't lose all of these screws here. If I can find a little something to put in. This will work, so I'm just going to keep all the screws in this thing. Set this right here. So now, what I need to do is, well, it's going to be hard to get you in on this one. What I have to do basically is I have to set the offsets. I have to put little offsets in the back here because the motherboard can't touch the back, so you have to put in the offsets. And luckily, this does tell you where to put them for an ATX motherboard. It's another nice feature in this case. So here's all the screws and some zip ties for cable management. Then of course, small manual that I don't need. So all these cables are out of the way. So open up this bag and voila, there's 2 more bags inside the bag. Okay, this is all I need for the offsets. I think. I like the case cables. Motherboard. Alright, yeah. So, I think I put these everywhere, anywhere I see the letter A on this case. If I can get one. So it's a little screw, and then you can screw the motherboard into it, but basically all it does, you screw it into there and then it holds the motherboard up a little bit. So I need to put a screw there. They don't have to be super duper tight. You can just screw them in by hand. You don't want them to be loose either. So now, I should just ever so gently pick this up. Oh, I almost forgot something really important. You gotta put this on first, or else you have to take the motherboard back out, and then so I'm pretty sure. Yes, it should go in like this. This should just pop in. There we go. Part of it's in. There we go. Okay. Now that that's nice and secure, I can set this down. Alright. So again, now I see why it always takes these people so long to build these computers. When I watch them online, time just goes by and you don't even pay attention to it. Yeah, it's definitely gonna have to be a multi-part thing. Let's double check these. These are all the same screens. Okay. Alright. So now I can put this on. Let's double check. Make sure I didn't screw anything up. What I don't understand is why they made it to where these have so many offsets. Let me get my screwdriver. I don't understand why they put these weird little things that are like, they have these like on the I/O panel, it has these strange little things that are pushing it off of the, what's it called, away from the back plate for some reason. I don't know why that is. So if I can just get one of these screws in. Don't want it to be too tight. There we go. The rest should be easy peasy. It's the first two that you have to worry about. So I'm screwing the motherboard down. There's a screw there. There's a there, and there, and there. So, okay. Yep, now the motherboard is in place. So there we go. Now the motherboard is nice and neat, sitting right there.